How's it, everybody? I'm back with another hotel review video. This time, I'm staying over here at the Palms. Let's go. I just checked in the room, and I must say, this room is looking sexy. So once you step in, you see this big TV, you got a nice working station, chair, 2 drawers, and got this chair right here. You can sit down, just relax. You got a counter, table, lamp combo. Looks pretty cool. I think I should get one of these in my room. And there's another table on the side. Yeah, so this one, I got the 2 queen size bed because the king size bed wasn't available. It was all sold out. I booked this last minute. Plus I got 2 night comps, so I might as well take advantage of it and do this hotel review. So you got the 2 queen size beds with both chairs in the front. You got a middle console right here with 2 drawers. You even got the phone and clock. Oh, you can put your phone on top. That would be cool. They also got this snack bar. You got your wine, you got your waters. You even got chocolates of all sorts. You got the dark chocolate almonds. That looks pretty good. I'm kind of tempted to taking it, but I'm not. Mini cookie bites, savory deluxe. It looks like Chex Mix. Yogurt and chocolate pretzels. It's really good. I'm not gonna eat it. Then we got M&Ms. Looks like Skittles, like milk chocolate. Could be Raisinets or something. They got pistachios. And if you got migraines or just a long night out on the strip, you got a hangover, they also have an Advil for y'all. And I see this box. It's called Temptation Lovers Kit. The only thing I can think of with that kind of name is for the freaks. Yeah, you freaks out there. Yeah. And if you want to, you can grab them out of these and you can eat them. But I advise you not to, because once you take it off, they're gonna charge you for it. So up to you if you want to. Like I said, before you come to the hotel, you'd rather get your stuff at CVS or something, or any grocery store of your choice, because it's a lot cheaper. And these are very pricey. Then you got the closet over here, which when you slide it open, it lights up. It has extra pillow, a safe, a couple hangers. Then you got an iron and iron board. Then you come here in the bathroom, and it's a lot of light and it looks really nice. You have this stand-up shower, which you got a little chair right there. It looks pretty big. You can hold about maybe 6 to 8 people in here. Unless y'all freaks out there. They got this marble sink, looks really nice. And like I said, if you don't got any shampoo or conditioner, soap or whatnot, Palms got you. They got shampoo, conditioner, moisturizer, cleansing body soap. And if you don't want to use any of that, you got bar soaps. So when you go into the toilet, they have this little sliding mirror closet door that slides open, and there's your throne. Yeah, so overall, man, this room is really nice. It's about 400 square feet, which is pretty good for me. This is the cheapest room at the Palms. So, and like I said, I got this room for 2 free nights, comps. I know it's not even 6 o'clock yet, and over here it's already dark. So, probably just gonna grab some dinner, check out the casinos, gamble a little bit, see if I get lucky. I'll just get dinner, and we'll call it a night. As I get better at this, hopefully I can start making more content like this. I'll upgrade to the higher rooms, but in order for me to do that, I need y'all to like and subscribe this video. I would greatly appreciate it. Maybe I'll film myself gambling. I don't know. I'll think about it. Damn, and I always keep forgetting to show y'all the view. Here's the view. Let's see the view. Can't really see it. Oh, you know what? I got an idea. Hold that thought. Much better. View's pretty nice. That's the other Tower of the Palms. Oh, this is the near one. I guess where I'm at is the casino and parking structure. But yeah, nice view of the city. See y'all in a bit. Good morning, rise and shine. About to go explore the Palms. Let's go.
And my need to save our love. And
Alright, so I'm over here cruising, and I can't talk too much in the casino because I might get demonetized, and I'm just gonna go up here and check out the Palms place, check out the pool, if I can find it. So I just went to the Palms place to check out the pool and stuff, but unfortunately it's closed. That's a different part of the Palms. That's where usually residents live over there. They have penthouse suites and whatnot. And also people stay over there too, which I found out from the security. That's just pretty cool. Maybe it might stay there. Who knows, but shout out to the security for the info.
And my need to save our love. And
Alright, so yeah. Alright, so my take on the Palms Casino Hotel is looks really sexy. What I mean by that is by the way it looks, the room's a lot lighter, the decor, furniture, and all that stuff is kind of fits my style and what I like. So I'm gonna start with the pros on this place. The pros is the variety. They have a variety of games, whether it be slots or tables. They got a section of bars. They got like 2 or 3 locations. They even got a different variety of places to eat, whether it's in your budget or out of your budget. If you want to get a quick bite that is within your budget, you can just go to the food court and get you something to eat. But if you want to go fancy and go someplace nice to eat, they got a whole bunch of variety. But one thing about those places, you gotta dress nice for that. And also with the variety, you got the Asian cuisines, American barbecues, you even got the Italian pizzas. They also have a buffet called ACYE, which stands for All You Can Eat. They also got the Pearl Concert Theater, which you want to see a concert, it's right there. And this right here goes for the pros and cons, which is meaning location. So I'll start with the pros. The location is off the strip. There might be some people that want to get away from the strip, get away from all that chaos that's going on, just want to be off the strip, just relax but also have fun at the same time. Palms is where you want to be. And as for the cons of this place, I'll continue with my last one, the location. There'll be a different demographic where people just want to have fun, go on the strip and get drunk, whatever. As for the Palms, it's off the strip. So if you want to go there, you probably have to taxi or Uber there or something. And another thing is, in order to get to the pool, you gotta walk very far. So you gotta walk through the casino, up the escalator, going to the parking structure, going to Palms Place. So you're gonna have to walk through the casino, go up the escalator on your left, and walk all the way down on a long journey to Palace Place, and that's where the lagoon pool will be. Unfortunately, they were closed because it's wintertime. It's cold. I'm sure the pool's not heated, so no one's gonna go there. And usually around wintertime, they'll close the pool for about 2-3 months. And another con of this place is cleanliness. I saw a couple of cup marks that were not clean. You can kind of see it when you turn the light on. Maybe on the workstation or counter where you got all the goodies and stuff. Including the sliding mirror, when you're about to use the toilet, you can see on the mirror there are some scuff marks and stuff to where pretty much they didn't wipe it. And also the drain in the shower, which is pretty cool where that threshold goes towards the end, but it looks like it's clogged because I could kind of see water coming up. Now would I recommend you to stay at this hotel? What you think my answer is? As for a hotel that's off the strip, they pretty much got what you need. They got fancy places to eat. They got a whole bunch of variety of casino games and slots and tables and whatnot. And the view is also nice depending on what side you get. Either you get up the mountains or the strip. Or if you're a big baller, you go to the penthouse suite, which hopefully one day I'll get there, but in order for that to happen, I gotta hit a big jackpot on a slot. So hopefully I do. But otherwise than that, that's gonna wrap up this video. So if you guys like this kind of content, hopefully this video helps you out with information on the hotel that you're planning on staying. Like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I know I've been slacking for the last month because I've been busy with work and life. Hopefully I can continue making more content like this, but I just need you guys' help to get me to 1,000 subscribers so I can start staying at more hotels, do more reviews, and stay at more upgrade rooms as I make more content like this. So once again, this is Manny. Until next time, aloha.